Understanding the phrase, close-up shop, an English language guide. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, close-up shop. This is a common phrase in the English language, often used in both business and everyday conversation. We'll delve into its meaning, origins, and how to use it in various contexts. So, let's get started. The phrase, close-up shop, essentially means to stop operating a business or an activity, either permanently or temporarily. It's used metaphorically in various scenarios, not just limited to actual shops or businesses. For instance, if someone says, "I'm closing up shop for the day," they might mean they are finishing their work for the day, not necessarily running a physical shop. The term, close-up shop, originated from the literal action of shopkeepers closing their stores at the end of the day. This involved locking doors, closing windows, and perhaps pulling down a shutter. Over time, the phrase evolved to have a broader, more metaphorical use, applying to any kind of activity or operation, not just retail businesses. Let's look at some examples. 1. End of day. After a long day of work, I'm ready to close up shop and relax. 2. End of business. The cafe had to close up shop due to financial difficulties. 3. Metaphorical use. After 10 years of teaching, Mrs. Smith is closing up shop and retiring. There are variations to this phrase, like, shut up shop, or close down the shop. All these carry a similar meaning, but the usage can depend on the region or personal preference. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, close up shop, and how you can use it in your English conversations. Whether it's ending a day's work or wrapping up a long-term project, this phrase is handy and widely understood. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning video.